So, yan. So, let's continue solving problems in engineering mathematics. So nandito pa rin tayo sa analytic geometry, ellipse. So, last two problems tayo ng ellipse. Then, we will proceed to hyperbola. Pero sa hyperbola naman, uh, hindi naman yung examples natin doon is, meron tayong sample problems, but almost the same lang naman siya sa pag-solve kung paano natin solve itong ellipse. And then, halos pareho lang din sila ng properties. No? So, yan. So, tapusin muna natin itong problem natin sa ellipse. No? So, problem number 8. Ellipse problem number 8 tayo. Yes, problem number 8. If the length of the latus rectum of an ellipse is 3/4 of the length of the minor axis, determine its eccentricity. So, alam natin, isa-isahin lang natin yung mga properties. Latus rectum ulit ng ellipse ay 2b squared over a. Okay? Then, yung minor axis, of an ellipse is 2b. So, then yung eccentricity naman is c over a. Okay? So, paano natin anuhin to? Ano pa ba yung mga properties na dapat alam natin? Di ba alam pa natin na yung a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. Guys, huwag niyo inulit ko lang, huwag niyo kakabsituin ng as isa. Dapat alam niyo yung kung ano ba yung a, ano ba yung b sa ellipse. So, nandito yan sa property na, sa ellipse na to, no? Yung mga properties. Okay? Okay, sige. So, alam natin, nasabi, na yung latus rectum daw is 3/4 ng minor axis. Okay? And then, so alam natin yung 2b squared over a is 3/4 ng 2b. So, to simplify, kapag sinimplify natin to, so, magiging 6b over 4a. Okay? So, matitira dito ay b is equal to 3/4 of a. Yan, kapag sinimplify mo to. So, di ko na ipapakita yung simplification. Alam kong kaya nyo na yan. Okay? So, b is equal to 3/4 a. So, alam pa natin, base sa relationship, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So, a squared is, ano ba yung b squared? Dito, i-substitute lang natin 3/4 of a squared plus c squared. Okay? Kapag sinimplify natin, makakuha tayo ng c is 0.6614a. So, pakita nga natin, sige. Pakita natin kung paano. Di ba magiging a squared to is 3 times 3. 9 over 4 squared is 16. A squared plus c squared. So, pwede mo, hanggang mangyari dyan, a squared, 1 minus 9 over 16 is equal to c squared. Ayan, tama. So, calculate natin. 1 minus 9 over 16 is 0.4375. 0.4375 a squared is equal to c squared. Tapos kunin natin yung square root niyan. So, square root ng 0.4375. So, 0.6614. Kaya lumabas tong value na to. Okay? Murahin ko na siya. Next. Ngayon, may value na tayo ng C. Ang sabi kasi eccentricity, C over A. So, yan. So, divide lang natin both sides by A. Maka-cancel to. C over A na siya. So, 0.6614. Yan yung value ng eccentricity natin. So, letter C. Okay? So, ilan? So, last problem tayo, no? Problem number 9. Sa ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse whose center is at negative 3, negative 1, vertex at 2, negative 1, and focus at 1, negative 1. Okay. Sige. So, pwede natin gawin para maano natin, i-graph natin. Pero pwede namang hindi na rin. Pero maganda, i-graph ko na rin. So, sabi dito, ang center daw niya is at negative 3, negative 1. So, tansya ka lang dito. Sabihin natin ito yung okay. So, gitna natin. Yan, dito. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, negative 3 at negative 1. So, ito. Ito yung center. Next, vertex at 2. So, ito. 1, 2. So, ito. 2, negative 1. So, nandito yung vertex. Focus at 1, negative 1. Focus at 1. Ito. Keep watching, happy learning, and padayon engineers.